How to make trifold brochure template in Docs. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Format, then go to Page Number, or first go to Insert or Format, and then go to Page Orientation. Make it to Landscape. After that, go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, and you have to change the margin to 1. After you have done that, go to Format, go to Columns, and then you will have to select this third option, number of columns 3, and spacing inches, make it to 0.1. And apply. After you, now if you write text, as you can see, this is now divided into 3 parts. So it will become a trifold brochure. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.